Hello, good morning. Chuagali Monday laga afternoon de Taklen Colony Kohima de hectare residential building de chui dangor olaigena 2.5 lakhs laga saman kando hoile chuli jeshe kwase. South Fire Station Kohima laga officials kamra kwa to hoile taikhan ge phone aha to 1:26 pm de aishe kushe. Idula hisab de South Fire Station laga tuida fire tender aro North Fire Station laga ekta fire tender kuri kana fire personals kan immediately joy ola laga jaga de jeshe kwase. Wele pi takhan na pungja ke de osode thakya manu khan bra joy to hoile alak jaga de spread hobole niti gena chuidu mitai digena thakishe kwase officials kam bra kwase ke kundu choi ola laga khor thakishe dudu hoile non local manu laga thakishe kwase choi ola do hoile agar party no hoile candle bahi olaishe kwase kile mane kundu jaga de electric wiring thakishe du jaga de choi du hoile ola nai kushe choi ola bichi de he electrical wiring de choi du hoile lagishe kwase choi ola de Pisna kapra nohele khor laga saman khan nohele jewelry khan bi chuli jeshe ko ase Deputy Commissioner of Police Dimapur ba khobor dise ki Sunday laga phuchur de 30 to 35 sal anjan manu ekjon do hele train berai thaka haki de cham gure gana muri jeshe ko ase Notice Funde Railway laga station manager ba khobor dia laga hisab de police kan spot jaina verification do kurishe ko ase aro dead body do hele Monday Sohiwi colony Sangdam dila Dimapur laga osor de tuida piece kuri gana body do paishe ko ase police kan bra legal formalities kan complete kuri gana district hospital de lui jeshe aro examination aro identification karne family friends relatives kan ge Officer in charge Government Railway Police Station ke contact koro bole janese. Busan Tracker data laga report hisab de Nagaland de 3980 Angawadi Center to ele functioning ase kushe aro 3954 workers kan ase kushe. Beneficiaries kan do ele 1,14,038 ase kwase. Report laga hisab de beneficiaries laga profile indicate to hele 3217 to hele 0 to 6 months laga bacha khan ase aro 37651 to hele 6 moina bra 3 years laga category laga ase aro 49,461 to hele 3 years to 6 years majo laga ase wishe aro 1,476 to hele pregnant maiki khan ase aro 2684 do hoile ama khan ase kushe tai khan sob idu laga scheme laga under de cover ase kushe teda laga hisab de 19,549 do hoile tangor chukuri khan ase aro date laga 17,357 do hoile other verified ase kushe aro Nagaland state de 2,387 Angawadi center do hele nije laga on building de hi function ase kushe Myanmar de January 9 de NSN ke Angmai group laga tuichun sabai ge morai dia laga opor de Konyak Union bra strongly bra condemn kurishe January 9 de Lieutenant Awi Bujuri aro Sergeant Pio Konyak ke NSN ke Yongang group factions kambra marigena morai dishe Konyak Union bra gwasigi idu nisna laga internal conflicts bra Naga political movement do hele komjuri kuri ase biswas nathaka hoishe kushe aro innocent manu khan sandi aro stability lobole munja manu khan ge phoi aro tuk kuri di ase kushe ami khan naga manu laga life to hele naga manu laga hat te hi cha do hoile itu acceptable nohoi aro itu do hoile chulde rukhibo lake kushe naga political factions kan ge sandi aro stability thakibole laga janai dishe National Tuberculosis Elimination Program laga under the official data release kura ki gushiki 2025 sal de Mizoram de 145 tuberculosis bimar bra manu muri jeshe kwase data laga hisab de 2275 manu khando hele TB diagnostic hoishe kwase dade laga 911 doile maiki kan dakishe kwase bimar report kura do hele 1900 doile government health facilities bra hoishe aro 375 manu doile private center bra identify kurishe kwase kobo laga hisab de 6 years laga machot de 2025 de highest tuberculosis bimar bra murishe kwa la janai di ase ajila khobor do ile mande hi sis kuri di ase.